Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for DTC P2101 ETCS malfunction, specifically for the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This error code indicates a malfunction related to the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS. The ETCS is crucial for regulating the opening and closing of the throttle valve, which in turn controls the engine's air intake and power output. This malfunction can impact the engine's performance severely and might lead to unsafe driving conditions if not addressed promptly. The throttle body, the primary component involved in this issue, is located between the air intake and engine itself, allowing for precise control of airflow. Understanding how to diagnose and resolve DTC P2101 is important for ensuring the optimal operation of your Honda Civic. The DTC P2101 pertains to the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS. This system ensures that the throttle valve operates smoothly and accurately based on your driving inputs via the accelerator pedal. The throttle valve itself is a key component that opens and closes in response to the accelerator pedal position. It is located within the throttle body, situated between the air intake manifold and the engine. This positioning is critical because it directly influences engine performance by regulating the amount of air entering the engine. A malfunction in this system can cause significant performance issues, including reduced power, erratic acceleration, and potential safety hazards. Being aware of the throttle body's role is vital when troubleshooting this fault code. Several factors can lead to DTC P2101 being triggered. A faulty throttle body is the most common cause, where the valve may get stuck or not respond accurately to electronic signals, leading to malfunction. Additionally, poor electrical connections can disrupt the transmission of signals between the throttle body and the powertrain control module (PCM). It is critical to check for any loose or corroded terminals, since they can cause intermittent faults. Open wires between the throttle body and the PCM can also result in signal loss or erratic behavior of the throttle valve. Identifying these causes early on helps streamline the troubleshooting process and improves the chances of successful repairs without unnecessary part replacements. When experiencing DTC P2101, you may notice several symptoms that indicate a malfunctioning throttle system. One of the most obvious is erratic engine performance, where the car may not accelerate as expected or may hesitate. Reduced engine power can also occur, affecting your ability to drive safely, especially during merging or passing. The check engine light will likely illuminate on your dashboard, alerting you to an underlying problem within the engine management system. Other symptoms could include inconsistent engine speed and unexpected changes in RPM while driving. Recognizing these signs early can help in promptly diagnosing the issue with your Honda Civic. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2101 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action prepares the vehicle's systems for diagnostics. Next, you'll need to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which resets any stored trouble codes in the vehicle's memory. After clearing, select the ETCS test option within the HDS inspection menu. This test will help determine if the throttle control system is functioning as intended. Once completed, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs that may arise during this process. If DTC P2101 is indicated again, it confirms that the issue is present, and you should proceed to the next troubleshooting step. In this step, you need to test drive the vehicle for several minutes while monitoring specific parameters such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor readings. It's crucial to note recorded values during this drive, as they help establish a baseline for how the engine behaves under various conditions. After the test drive, again use the HDS to check for any confirmed or pending DTCs. If DTC P2101 is indicated, it suggests the failure has been reproduced, compelling you to move to the next step in troubleshooting. If not, it indicates an intermittent issue, which could be due to poor electrical connections or loose terminals at the throttle body and PCM. Begin this troubleshooting step by turning the vehicle to the off mode, ensuring it's in a safe state for further inspection. Next, disconnect the intake air duct F from the throttle body, which will allow for unimpeded access to the throttle assembly for testing. After disconnecting, turn the vehicle back to the on mode and clear the DTC using the HDS. Now, perform the ETCS test again to visually check the throttle valve's operation. It is important to observe whether the throttle valve operates smoothly with no sticking or irregular movements. If it appears to work correctly, you should proceed to clean the throttle body. If DTC P2101 reappears after cleaning, the throttle body itself will likely need replacement. In this step, you'll also want to begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode, providing a safe environment for electrical testing. Proceed by jumping the SCS line with the HDS and waiting for more than 1 minute. Disconnect the PCM connector E and the throttle body 6P connector, which allows access to critical electrical components. After disconnecting, connect terminals A and B within the throttle body 6P connector using a jumper wire. Now you will check for continuity between the specific test points, which include PCM connector E, number 27, and number 28. Confirming continuity indicates that the MTR1 wire and MTR2 wire are intact. If absent, repairs should be made to any open wiring between the PCM and the throttle body to restore proper signal transmission. For this final troubleshooting step, you should carefully remove the jumper wire from the throttle body 6P connector. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance between the test points on the throttle body side. With the vehicle still secured in the off mode and both the PCM and throttle body connectors disconnected, focus on obtaining an accurate resistance reading. If the resistance is around 1.0 kilo-ohm or more, this suggests that the throttle body is indeed faulty and requires replacement. Conversely, if the resistance is below this threshold, it indicates that the internal circuit of the throttle body is in good condition. In such cases, it is prudent to consult authorized service information or consider substituting a known good PCM to see if that resolves the DTC P2101. After performing the necessary repairs, it's essential to conduct a final verification of the repairs made regarding DTC P2101. Begin by rechecking the DTC with the HDS. If the DTC is no longer present, you can be assured that the repair has been successful. Furthermore, verify that the throttle operates as intended without any irregularities. It's also crucial to perform a test drive under various conditions to ensure full functionality. Make sure no additional DTCs have emerged, as this could indicate an unresolved issue. The goal of this step is to restore the Honda Civic to optimal performance, ensuring safety and drivability. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding the recurrence of issues like DTC P2101 in your Honda Civic. Regularly cleaning the throttle body can help prevent carbon buildup, which can cause valve sticking and subsequent malfunctions. It's also essential to routinely inspect electrical connections associated with the throttle body and PCM to ensure there are no loose or corroded terminals. This proactive approach helps eliminate future problems before they escalate. Additionally, monitoring for any early symptoms of throttle issues, such as unusual acceleration or warning lights, can allow for timely interventions. Keeping up with preventive measures is key to the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the importance of the Electronic Throttle Control System and its components is vital for diagnosing and resolving DTC P2101. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps efficiently can help locate the root cause of the issue, whether it involves cleaning, wiring, or replacing the throttle body itself. It's equally important to conduct thorough verification of repairs to ensure the vehicle operates flawlessly afterward. Emphasizing preventive maintenance can also mitigate future risks, enhancing the longevity and reliability of your Honda Civic. Remember, timely attention and systematic troubleshooting can lead to optimal vehicle performance and safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.